priority corridors, which really links with what Brian just talked about. Of course, we have the 11 corridors. We have 3 state, 3 county, and 5 city corridors. It equals over about 20 miles, and it captures 10% of our total KSIs just by doing 20 miles of improvements. Each of our corridor reports has 4 chapters, and so I just kind of listed the table appendix here. These were just submitted in June as draft, and so we're kind of currently in review and revision, hoping to finalize next month. So chapter 1 is really like kind of why are we doing this project? Number 2 is really what's the existing conditions and analysis. Chapter 3 is a summary of all the stakeholder coordination that we did, both public meetings, road safety audit, and the stakeholder coordination with our cities and county and state. And then chapter 4 is really the meat of it, is kind of what we propose. And it goes through all the proposed improvements, a cost estimate of that, the BCA that we just talked about, and kind of how we can tee it up for next steps. The third FDOT corridor is US 441 from Davie Boulevard north to Sunrise Boulevard. This is Fort Lauderdale on the east, Plantation on the west, and Lauderhill on the north. So we've got 3 cities. On this one, we've got 22 total safety countermeasures proposed, including 12 corridor wide and then another 10 intersection. Within this one, we have kind of 2 cross sections, very similar, keeping all 6 lanes. This corridor has a plan to have Primo transit on it. So we were aware of that. So there hopefully will be a bus priority lane at some point. But widen the sidewalks. The one on the bottom is to take the existing bike lanes and make them into wider sidewalks. So we're able to reprogram that space and then obviously keep the medians and narrow the lanes. And then this one's a little longer, so I've got 2 pages, but the top left is Davie Boulevard, and then you move north to the right. And really trying to add medians where we could to improve safety, add mid-block crossings, raise those crossings, align them with bus transit to try to get the speeds tempered just by trying to narrow everything up and then widen those sidewalks. So unfortunately, not enough space to put in landscape buffer between our sidewalks and our cars, but just trying to squeeze everything down and then get the speeds way down was the main goal here. And it goes all the way up to Sunrise Boulevard. You'll see on the right side of this screen, there's a trail that runs along the south side of Sunrise Boulevard. And so we've included the trail crossing as a proposal there to get people across safely.